Okay, right, here we go. Here's another racket, another Mantis racket. Got a bag, which is looks quite good actually. Let's have a quick look. Impressive. Nice and wide as well, which is quite good. So you can store all your bits in there, and then this bit here is the front pocket. Quite a bit of stuff in there as well, and they've got, like, I think it's a racket holder bit in the back. That's good. Yeah, stick your racket in the back there as well. Very smart. Alright, okay, here's the next one. Oh yeah, I got some grips as well. Assortment of grips. Awesome, nice colours there. This is the racket, so brand new out the bag. This is the 295, I think. Look at that. I want to spit out the head case, the actual case for it, because I didn't think I needed it. Yeah, so there it is. Turn it around. Pro 295, so I assume that's the one that changed up from the 275 Pro. So it's 295 grams, 98-inch head, 16 by 19 and 325 millimeter balance. First impressions, what I thought actually it'd be nice and solid all the way through. It feels, whoops, not very good dropping it, is it? Yeah, it feels nice. Yeah, so very good. I'll stick that up on the website, it'll be on sale. I can get a reasonable discount from Mantis, so yeah, if you're interested, go on my website, csbtenniscoaching.co.uk or csbtc.co.uk. Cheers. Oh yeah, also that you get the bag in the back, racket in the back, which is actually quite useful. Fits in there nicely. I've got grip size 3 actually, yeah, grip 3. Awesome, really good gift.